Which organ removes toxins from the blood? A. Liver. B. Kidney. C. Spleen. D. Lungs. Correct answer is A. Liver. The next question is: which fruit contains natural enzymes for digestion? A. Papaya. B. Mango. C. Jackfruit. D. Apple. Correct answer is A. Papaya. The next question is: which vitamin helps boost female fertility? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin E. D. Vitamin D. Correct answer is C. Vitamin E. The next question is: what is the normal temperature of the human body? A. 98.6. B. 99.6. C. 96.4. D. 97.8. Correct answer is A. 98.6. The next question is: which mineral is most important for sexual hormone production? A. Zinc. B. Iron. C. Calcium. D. Magnesium. Correct answer is A. Zinc. The next question is: which food is best for natural skin glow? A. Butter. B. Carrot. C. Potato. D. Cheese. Correct answer is B. Carrot. The next question is: which part of the male body produces sperm? A. Prostate. B. Testes. C. Bladder. D. Urethra. Correct answer is B. Testes. The next question is: which vegetable improves eyesight and sperm count? A. Carrot. B. Onion. C. Cabbage. D. Cauliflower. Correct answer is A. Carrot. The next question is: which hormone controls sexual desire in both genders? A. Insulin. B. Testosterone. C. Estrogen. D. Serotonin. Correct answer is B. Testosterone. The next question is: which organ produces eggs in a female body? A. Ovary. B. Uterus. C. Fallopian tube. D. Vagina. Correct answer is A. Ovary. The next question is: which part of the body never stops growing? A. Hair. B. Ears. C. Liver. D. Kidney. Correct answer is B. Ears. The next question is: which vitamin improves sexual desire in both men and women? A. Vitamin D. B. Vitamin A. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin E. Correct answer is D. Vitamin E. The next question is: which fruit is best for digestion and reducing constipation? A. Orange. B. Banana. C. Kiwi. D. Guava. Correct answer is D. Guava. The next question is: what is the strongest bone in the human body? A. Femur. B. Skull. C. Spine. D. Tibia. Correct answer is A. Femur. The next question is: which food helps in reducing period cramps naturally? A. Cucumber. B. Ginger. C. Potato. D. Pumpkin. Correct answer is B. Ginger. The next question is, which hormone makes you feel happy and also affects sexual mood? A. Estrogen. B. Dopamine. C. Cortisol. D. Progesterone. Correct answer is B. Dopamine. The next question is, which part of the male body stores sperm? A. Urethra. B. Vas deferens. C. Testes. D. Bladder. Correct answer is B. Vas deferens. The next question is, which fruit is best for skin hydration and collagen production? A. Watermelon. B. Grapes. C. Apple. D. Strawberry. Correct answer is D. Strawberry. The next question is, which mineral boosts fertility and immunity in both sexes? A. Zinc. B. Sodium. C. Potassium. D. Phosphorus. Correct answer is A. Zinc. The next question is, which vegetable is high in fiber and helps in weight control? A. Carrot. B. Onion. C. Broccoli. D. Cauliflower. Correct answer is C. Broccoli. The next question is, which nut boosts testosterone levels naturally? A. Pista. B. Almond. C. Walnut. D. Cashew. Correct answer is A. Pista. The next question is, which juice is best to relieve heat and body temperature? A. Carrot juice. B. Muskmelon juice. C. Orange juice. D. Apple juice. Correct answer is B. Muskmelon juice. The next question is, which vitamin deficiency can lead to low sex drive? A. Vitamin B. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin E. D. Vitamin D. Correct answer is D. Vitamin D. The next question is, which vegetable contains natural estrogen-like compounds? A. Brinjal. B. Cabbage. C. Capsicum. D. Onion. Correct answer is B. Cabbage. The next question is, which fruit is best for reducing gas and bloating? A. Guava. B. Papaya. C. Jackfruit. D. Mango. Correct answer is B. Papaya.